Hey everybody, I'm working on this 2021 GMC Sierra pickup truck with a 6.6 liter Duramax diesel. I'm going to show you how to reset the fuel filter reminder, which I accidentally already reset, but I'm going to show you how to do it again anyway. Foot on the brake, go ahead and start it up. And you want to be in the, we're going to use these controls here. You want to be over into the information, so scroll over into, you get to the I in the information there, and then we're going to use the wheel and we're going to scroll down or up until we get to the fuel filter life, which is right there. And see the check mark if you want to reset. Now you push down on the wheel once. Are you sure you want to reset? Yes or no? Then you could take and bring it over and hit yes, and then it will reset. I already reset this one by accident because I was trying to figure out how to do it, but that's how you do it. That's how you reset the fuel filter life on a 2021 GMC 6.6 liter diesel. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner there.